Hello, I'm Yo Boon. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you on how to create a dynamic weekly report without using Excel VBA. Okay, what is dynamic weekly report? Okay, this sheet is a dynamic weekly report. Okay, so this sheet depends on this uh, week number only. Okay, let's say I change to 6 day. So the week 6 title also change. Then this one also change accordingly. Okay, the particulars here. If let's say I change to 7. Okay, so this one change, then this one change. So this one is called details weekly report. So on top of that we have what we call the weekly summary report. And with this summary report also the title will change according to the week number there. And this one usually weekly report we only use by customer and amount only usually. Okay, let's say we change to 8. Okay, so that means 8 you see got customer 645, right, company. So that means it will show here 645 company. Okay, then you let's say change to 9. So we got few 4 customer of all the customer here, so it will come here. That means as long the customer here, then it will summary report for each customer. So all that means you want the details here, you want the weekly here, all controlled by this week number only. Okay, all data comes from here. Okay, so how to create this weekly report? We go here. So go to this one. Okay, so the first step is to create this data entry sheet. So for data entry sheet we just key in the data accordingly, but the rule of thumb is that this one is better to be in two that means in ascending order. Okay, then it's in grouping. Okay, then thirdly, that means for let's say for billing number, let's say got 2 item, we put 2 same billing number. Then got 7 item, we put in 7 item, but different different particulars only regarding the billing. Okay, so once this one is complete, we go to the the weekly details report. So for this one we go to create the title first. Okay, so we say details weekly report for week. Okay, so we key in the text. This is a manual text we key in, so it's not related to this. When we key in this, it's a manual only. That means it didn't change. That means to make it dynamic, we put equal sign and open the double quotation mark. I mean for text we okay, then put space because then close quotation. So that means we want to join with this one, we use an ampersand sign. Okay, this is an ampersand sign. Okay, then click here. That's it. Then we enter. So that means detail weekly report for week 5. So if let's say I change those 8 with 8. Okay, and this one we copy from here only. Okay, once complete, we go to set up the okay, no need to set up first. We go to how to set up the details first. Okay, for this one, since this control point is week, but in this data entry is the date is not week, is date. So we have to transform this to week. Okay, that means we go here. Okay, we start with A2. Okay, because it must follow the row here, the row. That means this is 2 is better to follow because there will be confusion. Okay, that means equal week number, open bracket. Okay, goes here, the date here, close bracket. That's all. I mean the function with number transform it to the date to week number. So we copy down until say up to it. Okay, so when we have 0, that means this is the what's it? There's blank there, but that means it can be a future allocation, right? When your size is going up, you just pull down or whatsoever. Okay. Okay. Now we want to pinpoint the row position with respect to this week number. So to do that, we just click here, equal, yeah. Okay, then if this one equal this one, then we, since we want to copy down, we log first. Okay, comma, then row. Okay, so row inside is a blank. That means it will refer to this row. Since this is the row 2, then it refer, that means it will return 2. If let's say here it will return 3. Okay, if not, blank. Okay, blank. So we go here, we want to copy down, we just double click here. Okay, so you see week 8 is here. We double click. Okay, since this one is in bottom here, that means is we want it to be at the fixed top position number 2 here. So that means we need to compress the data to be here. Okay, that means equal, we use a small function. Okay, array, this array, comma. Okay, so for small function, we want it to be the smallest. Of course, we want to put 1. But 1 is not dynamic. It is a fixed number, so it's better to use a row. Okay, so when this row means 2, so that means we want 1, we minus 1. Okay, so that means this is 1. Okay, okay, enter this week. Okay, sorry. So to copy down, we lock this one. Okay, then we double click, it goes down. Okay, so now this one got error because there's no more here. That mean the total is only here. That means it cannot compress further. This one error. So to clear this error, we use we go here, we use a blanking if error to blank it. If error, open bracket, then comma, blank. That means this is called blanking. Okay, then we copy. No more already. Okay, once complete, we want to extract all the data related to week 8. Okay, and we go here, copy the heading, go back here, enter. Okay, so to extract, we use HLOOKUP. Okay, HLOOKUP, open bracket, then lookup for the heading, push arrow up, then comma, lookup in this data range. Okay, then for easy, then we copy to 10, click here, type 20, then become 1000, comma, okay, then the column number, the row number is here, comma, then this is exact. Okay, then since we want to copy it, we will fix the heading. We press F4 key, the range, then this column here. Okay, so now and we have this, copy down. Okay, so when we copy down, it got error because this one is blank. You see, blank, right? So that means got error. So to solve this, we do blanking. If error, if this one error, return blank. If not, return the formula answer. Okay, so we have all this already. That means this one is for let's say details one. Once we have all this, we go to here, we link back to the details one. We go to here, link here. Okay, then we copy here, be all down here. Okay, okay. Since we want the format to be the same as this one, right? So we just take any row, like let's say any row here. We paint format painter, then we go to here, then we just click, and it will be the same as this one. Then we copy down, B200. Okay, copy down. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so let's say we change to 9. We have all the 9 one. Okay, we change to 10. We have all the 10 one. Okay, then the week also change. So this is called dynamic weekly detail report, detail weekly report. Okay, now the next step, we want to create for this one dynamic. Okay, so for this one to be dynamic, we do the heading first. Okay, the heading is for weekly, that means it's weekly summary report for week 9. So the technique is the same. Okay, we just equal, we no need equal, weekly summary report for week. Okay, no, weekly summary report for week, enter. Okay, then we put here equal, double quotation mark here, double quotation mark, then we end, click here, that's it. Okay, weekly summary report for week 10. Okay, so now we want to do the dynamic customer to extract only the unique customer. That means if let's say for this one is one customer only, right? For let's say just now for number 8 is for 3 customer, right? So that means you must have this. That means this one is considered duplicate, so you must have the unique. So to create the unique, go back here. Okay, then we click here, we see the customer. So okay, we use account, okay, equal count if. Okay, for this count if, we have to, okay, we click here, customer, then colon, comma, then click again, then close. Okay, That means we want to, the range is F2, F2. But since we want to copy it down, so we lock the first cell. Okay, that means the first one it will see this one first, then it subsequently it will see, then it will return the the frequency of the count for the customer. Okay, say like that. Okay, then we copy down. We click, double click. Okay, so we double click. Okay, since like you have one here, even for blank, that means it's the first count for blank, so we don't want this. That means we have to clear the thing, so we need to clear this one. We don't want. That means we here, if okay, if this one, or you can take any of the line. So if let's say you take this one, since this one control it, we take this one equal blank, comma, return blank, comma, return this. Then we close the if function, close, enter. Okay, then we double click. You see there's no more one here. Okay, that means it's only this list only. Okay, now we want to find the unique number. That means that is the number one only, not number two, number three, is number one only. So we equal if this one equal 1, then we return the row, then or not, we return the blank, enter. Okay, then similar, we copy down. Okay, so that means you got 2, 3, 4 only, so it's 1, then the rest blank. Okay, once we have the list here, we need to do compression, because sometimes the customer list can come out in jumping here, so we need to compress the thing. So we use a small function equal small this array now, then is row -1 close bracket, enter. Okay, then we log the thing, copy, then we do the error blanking, if error return blank. Okay, okay, then only this one, once this one we only want to look up for the customer, so we copy the customer here. Okay, copy the customer, then for this we use lookup to pull, look out for the customer, okay, in this range, no more in the data entry range. Now then to the side, comma, exact lookup. Okay, then we log the heading, log the range, then log the column. So then we copy now. So we have not, we do the blanking also. If error return blank, not the result. Okay, then we down. Okay, so you have all this already. Okay, now we come here, we want to find the amount. So the amount we just copy here, put here, then we use a sum if function. Sum if, okay, sum the customer one, we click the whole column, then this customer, comma, then give the amount here. Okay, close that. Okay, then we copy down. Okay, so once we copy down, you see this one got 0 because this one blank even got 0, so we don't want this to happen, so we have to use a blanking technique. So we use if this one equal blank, comma, return blank, comma, or not, return the sum if result. Okay, then we copy down, so no more there. Okay, then we go back here, we link to the this thing, then we copy. Okay, so this one is not in format, so we want the format according to this one. We go to what, the data entry here. Okay, so for the what's it, company, we just click format painter, we go here, click the format painter here. Okay, then we go again for the this one, and then click here, we go to this one, then we click. Okay, and only then we copy down. Okay, maybe you want more, then up to you. Okay, how many customer we have. Okay, so that means we have complete the what's it, dynamic weekly report, details and summary. Okay, so to test the thing, we go back here, we put 9. The 9 here, that means got how many customer. We go back here, 9 got 6 customer. So let's say we go back here, we give 10. 10 only got 1 customer, you see, 1 customer. And go 11, also got 2 customer. We go here, got 2 customer. Okay, then 11. So 12, let's say last try. Got 1, 2, 3 customer. So you see 1, 2, 7, 3 customer. So this is the how we do weekly details and summary report. Okay, so once complete, we want to log the thing. So for this one, since this one is totally no control here, so we can straight away log, no need to do anything, just log. So it depends on this one only. So for this one, we allow new, okay, okay, then we allow user to edit this one, then we protect. Okay, so once we protect, you see, cannot do anything. Okay, cannot do. But for this one, let's say we change to 13, that's changes already. Okay, so for this one, you cannot do edit, nothing can be edited here. Okay, because it is controlled by this number only, week number. Okay, so this is how we do dynamic weekly report without using VBA. Okay, if you like my channel for future upload, thank you.